The PNP approves a new policy requiring all personnel, both uniformed and non-uniformed, to remove any visible tattoos. Pero bakit naman kaya? Well, PNP spokesperson Jean Fajardo says this aims to maintain discipline and uphold the professional image of the organization. The policy requires officers to declare their existing tattoos and prohibits them from getting new ones, particularly in areas like the face, neck, ears, and arms. Naintindihan naman ng PNP ang self-expression at wala naman daw silang diskriminasyon. But they said that upon entering service, officers take an oath of office, which includes maintaining a reputation that reflects positively on the PNP.
Nagkakaroon kasi sila ng mga yung rebranding of their image.
Yeah.
Oh, pero yung sa akin lang kasi you don't judge somebody kung may tattoo.
Exactly.
Ang kasi is yung army, the army are soldiers, may mga tattoo sila that reflects
ang dami nating kakilala na may tattoo pero hindi naman sila kriminal.
Oh, pero
hindi sila mga magnanakaw.
Ang akin ata kasi, ang kanila ata kasi is the PNP is civilian in nature. And they're officers of the law. No, I'm saying...
It's already 2024. Gone are the days na tabu ang usapan ng mga tattoo.
I'm just saying...
I don't like tattoos sa katawan ko. Pero I don't judge people na merong tattoo.
They're not judging.
I have siblings who have tattoos.
I'm not saying they're judging, but at the end of the day, it's the prerogative of the PNP how they want to brand their image.
Pero ito yung natin. Ito yung ibig kong sabihin, yung kumbaga sagot natin doon sa sinasabi nila. Yes, it's their prerogative. Pero does it mean, di ba sabi nila, yung hindi porket kaya mong gawin, kailangan mo gawin.
Let me explain. Hindi porket sinabi nila ayaw namin tattoo, ibig sabihin masama ang nakatattoo. It's just that ito ang gusto namin imahe na i-portray namin. Ganun kasimple lang.
Bakit? Anong image ba pag merong tattoo?
You want to be clean.
O bakit pagka may tattoo, madumi ka ng tao?
Sinabi bang maduming tao? Ang sinasabi, you want... Any person who owns a company or an organization has the prerogative to maintain the image they want to maintain.
Yeah, that's their prerogative, pero hindi mo
It doesn't mean na sinasabi nila
dahil sa tattoo.
They're not judging.
Can you imagine, I remember yung isang, ang tawag dito, yung tindahan ng mga manok, nag-post sila ng, kailangan nila ng personnel, ng crew, pero nakalagay doon, must not have tattoo. Pero syempre, yung iba naman, ang isip nila, anong kinalaman ng pagkakaroon ko ng tattoo, especially here sa PNP, na kumbaga, makakasagabal sa capability ko. Diba? As a person.
Make no mistake, diba? Make no mistake. Wala akong sinasabing I have a lot of friends who have tattoos, diba? In the industry pa lang showbiz, madaming may tattoo. Wala naman ibig sabihin you're judging the people na may tattoo. It's just that yan ang gusto ng PNP i-display. They're rebranding their image. They want to visible.
What image?
No, kasi let's face it, okay? Hindi naman lahat ng tao ng tattoo masama, pero a lot of gangs use tattoos as a gang sign. Even sa kulungan, malalaman mo kung saan ka. Sige, Sputnik, bahal na gang. May gang sign. No, I'm not going there. I'm just telling you, prerogative ng PNP to maintain the image they want.
Well, I hope we can talk to PNP today para ma-explain nila kung ano yung mga tattoo na hindi po pwede at saka po pwede. Kasi I think meron doon yung tattoo sa eyebrows. Pwede daw. Kung may tattoo sa eyebrows,
hindi,
pwede na daw.
Aesthetic naman kasi yan.
Tsaka kumbaga, i-shoulder ba nila sa mga PNP personnel right now, yung mga kailangang magpa-remove ng kanilang mga
ganun naman, wag naman. Yung mga may existing tattoo, sana hindi retro. Hindi, wag na i-remove yan. Hayaan nandun na yun.
I remember kasi mga few years ago, isa sa mga congressman natin, I just don't remember which congressman, nag-suggest siya na tanggalin na yan sa isa sa mga requirements ng PNP because it's not a good measure of one's capability or their heart on the battle, yung pagkakaroon ng tattoo. Pero mixed emotions talaga.
Ang sinasabi lang, moving forward siguro.
Rather.
For example, sa US, di ba, they're very liberal when it comes to this. Ang rule nila is bawal ang tattoo kasi may police officer nag-issue, nag-apply, may tattoo sa face na agila. Diba? Pero yan, wag tayo doon. Sabi nila, okay lang markings dito, wherever, pero wag sa face. There's a certain image that they want to portray lang.
Yeah, what image? Ang sabi nila, dapat ang ano nila dyan lagi,
Again,
yung mga drug test.
Again,
yung mga bumabagsak
make
sa
no
drug
mistake.
test.
We are not judging people with tattoos. Make no mistake. Yan lang ang image na gusto i-portray nila. Like for example, may mga certain work na hindi pwedeng magkaroon ng visible image.
Let's just agree to disagree.
You're not, when you disagree to agree, kailangan pakinggan mo rin yung panig.
Yeah,
Huwag mo isasara
yung panig mo
ano
kasi
mo.
sinasabi ko lang ano yung image, anong ibig mong sabihin sa image, yun.
We're not talking about madumi ang kalooban mo. Very simple lang, di ba? You want an outward appearance that is free of any markings. That's it.
their prerogative. Gusto nila, yun ang gusto nilang gawin. Pero dapat, yung mga opinion ng mga tao, ito yung opinion ng iba, ayan yung opinion ng iba din.